I just made an error on a flag, and what I wanted to do is I just wanted to do a quick video on how I would repair something with paint on a flag. Maybe if you're a flag builder watching this back in when I first started this stuff, um, I would scrap the entire flag. I wouldn't try to fix it whatsoever. So this might be a good tip if you guys are using paint on a flag. I use vinyl as a stencil. Um, some people use vinyl on their flags instead of paint, but I use the vinyl cutter and vinyl to create the stencil, and then I paint it on and then peel the vinyl off. So I'll show you guys how to repair something in case you make a mistake like I just did. What I'm going to be fixing is these two loops in the P's. As you see, the other ones, they have the loop, all the other ones. But what I did is when I cut my vinyl, sometimes I can't peel out the centers of the font. So what I do is I go back and cut text just to fill those in. But I forgot those, so what we're going to do is I'm going to sand this off and we're going to redo it. And since it's such a small area, um, I'm not going to use my orbital sander because I don't want to divot in the wood. So I'm just going to hand sand it. You want to keep your sandpaper clean because if you can see, the paint likes to spread. You know, the paint dust likes to spread. So you want to keep your sandpaper clean while you do that. Okay, that's going to be good enough. It's not going to be perfect. Well, thank God they're rustic flags, right? So that char will camouflage it just a little bit. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to recut happiness and cut out the loops into the P's. I got the other loops for the P's all cut, ready to put on. I just painted this, so I'm iffy about putting something over the paint. I usually let it cure for 24 hours before I do another layer, but we're going to see. Does that look good? It looks good to me. Now I'm going to mask it up and repaint. I definitely drank too much coffee today. I'm really shaky. There it is.